chug, 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 chug. Come on, come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Ew.
Are you going to vomit?
Nope. And that day's like, shoot. Yeah.
My cup is still half full.
I thought it was halfway empty. Is it?
It's halfway full or empty. It's at the middle.
Middle. Let me see. I need
My
a burp.
cup. You're gonna vomit.
And I need a burp.
You're gonna vomit.
Am I?
Yeah. Just should I chug the rest of my cup?
Yeah. My little cup. Straw or no straw?
No straw.
No straw? I don't bite. Ready for this one?
Yep.
Hold on. I think there's a couple dots. But all gone. Holy shit!
Didn't we even have to come out? Okay, come on, chug the rest of your cup then. Come on. Do it now. Lick it good. Just like you should.
Just don't say the rest of that song.
Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. You're almost done. You're almost done. You're almost done. Yeah. Ow, ow.
Ew. I almost puked in that.
Amber.